how exactly big YouTubers like MrBeast, Iman Gadzi, Ali Abdaal make their videos, and how actually they get lots of views and subscribers. To know the answers of those questions, I did hours of research, and I came to know their secrets that no one will tell you. But I will share 5 points later in this video. If you improve those points, then also you can grow your channel fast. The first point is thumbnail. If you see closely, then you will notice that each thumbnail is very clear and straightforward to the video. But when you create a thumbnail, you try to give information as much as possible in that, and your thumbnail becomes messy. But big creator maintain the 1/3 rule. It means the 1/3 part of the thumbnail is covered by their face, and in the rest of part put the visuals that representing the content. It can be texts or images, but you have to put maximum 3 to 4 things on the thumbnail. Beast puts only 2 items on his thumbnail, and his face is one of them. For the text, you have to make sure that you are using the right font. Otherwise, your thumbnail will look like this. Use sans serif fonts. Make sure to use same font in your every thumbnail because it creates a brand consistency. For the brand consistency, you have to choose a color palette for all thumbnails. For the color palette, you can use complementary colors like red and green. More you can explore in the color wheel. Just make sure your colors complement each other. If it's not possible to put same colors, then make sure to put text with same font in all the thumbnails. That's how you can create a professional looking thumbnail. There are lots of thumbnail designs. If you want a detailed video of thumbnail, then comment down below. So point number 2 is the title of the video. Putting right title can bring views on your video, and also wrong title can decrease the views. You have to create a question or interest by your thumbnail and title. To know the answer, viewers have to click on the video, but make sure not to write too much on the title, because it looks so bad and viewers will not be able to read the full title. So put a brief title that doesn't take too much time to read, because the attention time of the viewers is too low. Putting brief title will take less time to create the interest, and viewers will click the video instantly. And write the title within 50 characters, because if it's over 50, then it will not fit in the mobile screen. Point number 3, content quality. If you put right thumbnail and title, people will click the video, but if you don't have the content that provides value to them, they will leave the video, and your average view duration will fall on the ground. Maximum people will watch the video for the first 30 seconds, so you have to show them what you will do later in the video. And this method is called hook. It will create the interest in their mind, and they will watch the full video. Beast says what he will do in the video at the start. I hope you understand how to hook audience. Point number 4, editing style. Now you know how to hook your audience, but if you want your viewers to watch the video till end, you need to present the video properly with the help of editing. Editing is the most powerful skill to learn. With the help of editing, you can change a simple clip in different ways. Right editing can make a video good and interesting. Also, wrong editing can destroy the content. Beast, Ali Abdaal, and others have the perfect editing style on their video. If you are thinking they have professional editors and all of the videos are edited on PC, and you don't have a PC yet, but you can do so much with your mobile. There are already lots of apps and websites that can help you while editing. CapCut, InShot, VN are one of the best editing apps. You can also create cool visuals with a light motion application. And most important, audio. Yes, audio is more than half of your videos. Voice, sound effects, music, those are the things you have to manage in audio. Right music and sound effects can help you to make the video engaging, and also if you don't use them properly or use in a wrong way, then it will make the video disturbing and no one wants to hurt his ears. So make sure your audio is clear and energetic. Otherwise, it will sound boring. Use right sound effects on right moment. Try to add them when a thing pops on the scene. Mixkit is a good website to find sound effects, or you can get sound effects from YouTube also. You will not get copyright for sound effects. And music are also very important in the video, so use musics according to the flow and mood of the video. Musics can make a funny video sad and can make a sad video to funny. Be careful with the background musics and use right music on right moment to make it engaging. YouTube's audio library is one of the best options to get musics, and mostly the musics are copyright free. You can check the license for better security, or you can go Epidemic Sounds for best musics, but it's paid. So YouTube audio library is best if you are looking for free musics. Anyways, editing itself a big topic. Comment down if you want editing tutorials. I will make video on it. Point number 5, SEO. Writing right description and adding accurate tags with keywords can help your video rank on YouTube. We will discuss discuss this topic in another video. For now, remember SEO is important for your video reach. Last but not the least, you have to be consistent on your channel, because all the things you learned will be wasted if you just think what will be next and don't make videos. So make videos consistently, because for every type of content there are audience waiting. And most important thing, not only make videos, consistently stick with your content topic. Just don't change the video niche in every video. Post the videos that relates to your content topic. Otherwise, people will confuse why they will subscribe you. It means let your audience know what will you provide them, because no one likes confusion. Okay, that's it for the video. Subscribe for more YouTube growth related content, and comment down in which topic video you want.
Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go.